Okay, guys, here's our 3D rendering layout, starting with the master bath, obviously to size and scale. Sounds like this wall is going to get cut down, but the width is right, meaning cut down, same height as the countertop. These vessel sinks are 18 deep, probably need to be a little shorter than that, 21 wide, 4 inches tall. The bottom of this drawer stretcher is 26. This would put the top of the vessel sink, I measure to the top, to the floor at 36 and a half, 36 and 9/16. These are 26 wide, 11 and 3/4 wide drawer stack. But that's our layout. And as far as the plumbing, again, these lines represent the plumbing, so that'll work for the left sink and the right sink. One of these is going to have to be modified a little bit. But these cabinets are 13 inches on center from the walls, from the left, from the right. 30-inch opening. That's our layout, 12 inches off the floor, which is standard. Guest bathroom. This is what we have here. Plumbing was fine on this one. Laundry. Above the washer and dryer, pretty straightforward. 56 inches off the floor. There'll be a little trim piece that'll bring it down another 1.5 inches. And just a flat piece of trim scribed to the ceiling. And on the opposing wall, our tall cabinet, which is 14 deep. And these base cabinets of 16, open, and again scribed to the ceiling. As this wall is 17 deep. So we could, I mean, maybe the deepest we could make that is 15 inches. That's the cabinet case, and then the thickness of the door is 3/16. So these will step out a little bit more. We could back those up to 15, so it's all on the same plane, but 6 inches off the wall because of that angle. All right, and then the kitchen, bird's eye view here for looking straight down from corner to corner. This is 6 feet, this red line, yep, 72 inches, and these lines represent 48. So you have about 50 inches. When your countertops are all said and done, you'll probably have 48 walkway, which is plenty. And if we want to get 2 people, 2 people, 2 people, need to make this a little bit bigger so knees don't hit coming in here, but figure about 2 feet per person. So on the inside there, you've got 52, which is plenty for 2. 42 there, a little tighter, but still doable. And then obviously the same thing here. So this countertop roughly is 108 by 55-ish. Our cabinets facing the sink, and then 2 facing opposing walls, and there'll be 1 panel to bring these together. 1 panel on the exposed side, on the fireplace side. So let me know what you want to do with the hood, but if we do, I know it doesn't show in this view, but we do a slope front like that, and that can just be made out of raw wood that you put a plaster on, or a Venetian plaster that you guys do for the hood. That would go to the ceiling, and it would be raked to line up with the contour of the ceiling. Our floating shelves left and right that are, I think, 24 wide, 9 inches deep. Spice pull out, big drawer stacks left and right. Your Lazy Susan, this upper, which is the same width as over here. We're off the wall a bit, but I think we'll leave it this way so these are balanced. Tray divider for cookie sheets, trash, apron sink, more drawer stacks. You can see we did away with that drawer that was on the angle. So this will be dead space, but just a cleaner base cabinet and countertop layout. Couple floating shelves in between, possibly to do a third to match the fireplace wall. Fridge, and then your pantry. Rollouts behind these doors. This section is a coffee station, rollouts, adjustable shelves behind this door, and this would be your broom storage. So looking at it, an elevation view. And this will need to be 24 to 26 inches deep, depending on that hood, how deep it is. The sink wall, again, the size and scale, tray divider. The angled walls, your floating shelves. And your fridge, rollouts, maybe leave this open for a coffee station, and that looks something like this. We open these doors. That shelf that's set back, roll out, roll out, roll out. And this is open space for coffee. So if you want to do that, we're going to have to bring power in back here. And then the front of the island, side of the island, this would be facing the fire or the range. And I know you slid the island towards the back of the house to pick up room if this is your fridge cabinet. So that's nearly on center with the fridge, but you have 4 feet. There's plenty of room there. I mean, somebody could stand with the door open and still have room for somebody to walk through. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks.